welcome back to the shop. It's Tuesday, the 27th of November, 2018.
Hi, everybody.
Oh, it's good on a day like today. We didn't make a video yesterday because Mom wasn't feeling the best when she got home, so we gave her the night off last night, but she's back up running 100% today. We actually even went out and did some shopping.
Yeah.
So she's back up feeling good, I guess, pretty much right now, back to your normal self.
Yeah.
Pretty much. All right. Well, let's move on. All right. Let's talk about what we did in the shop this week. First of all, it was Thanksgiving last week. Had a great time. Went over to Daniel's and Kimmy's. And,
good food, good company. Even Gummy showed up.
That's it. Gummy showed up, and let's see who else showed up. Michaela was there with Michael, and I think that was kind of it. Reebok wasn't able to make it in. Jay had to work, and Michael wasn't able to get out of Atlanta. Missed those who weren't there, but we really had a good time. Watched the movie like we always do. National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, so we got it watched and kicked off the holiday season. We cut these walnut blanks here, I think about actually a week or so ago, and I think I may even showed you these. But we're going to make some wine holders out of this. But this is something that we worked on this week that I actually did yesterday.
Yep, planed them down.
We're going to make some sign people blanks, and I'm not supposed to call them sign people anymore. So if y'all have a better name for than sign people, put it in the comments below because I keep getting in trouble. But we made 7 or 8 of those.
7 of those, honey.
7 of those. We got a new metal detector in the mail today.
Yes, we did. A new toy.
Yeah, now that Mama's going to be back on the mill, and we're going to be milling like heck for the next couple of months. We definitely wanted to get a new metal detector in here because the other one wasn't working that well anymore. So we got a new one in. We're excited to see how that's going to do. But got that picked up today.
Yes, that'll be fun. Picked it up from the post office. They wouldn't deliver it.
Yeah, one of our big trips into town here. Let's move on. Now let's talk a little bit about projects completed. Didn't complete a lot this week because of Thanksgiving. We got a lot of things we're going to do later on this week, but up to this point haven't got a lot done. Mama finished some wreaths up. Now those wreaths are pretty big wreaths, about what, 24 inches or so. And these are the wreaths that you make out of grapevines. One of them we already had, and then I made 2. I kind of pulled some stuff out of the woods and made some wreaths here a couple of weeks ago, probably about 4 weeks ago. And Mama finished decorating those. Those look really
they look
nice.
pretty.
So
one in silver, one in gold, and one in red.
Yeah, red. That's right, and they come out really good. And then Mama finished some Grinch faces on the things that I'm not supposed to call sign people anymore. So y'all please help me out. Give me a name to call those things in the comments below so I stay out of trouble. But Mama finished, how many of those you think you did faces?
I don't know, 5 or 6.
5 or 6 of those. Really big news, we got 2 new batteries for Daniel's F350. The thing was kind of dragging and not wanting to start. We put 2 new batteries in there yesterday. Now that was a job because the bolts had, I don't know, corroded away, didn't rust away, corroded away, and there wasn't a lot of threads. It was really difficult to actually pull the terminals off. Got those off, got everything cleaned up, put the 2 new batteries in. Truck fired right up after I got everything in. Wanted to see how cold started. Cold started this morning. It was about 34 degrees. Ran the glow plugs for about 1:20 minutes, and then turned it back off, turned it on, waited for the wait the start light to go out. Fired right up, didn't give me any problems. So yeah, sounded really good. So we got that done. And probably the biggest news of what we got completed last week was we went to the Christmas tree farm on Sunday. That's right, 2 days ago. Same folks pretty much got to show up for that. Had a great time with that.
Jay and Tangy came to that one though.
Yeah, Jay and Tangy did come to that because they weren't able to make a Thanksgiving. That's absolutely right. I'd forgotten that. And I think we had like 4 or 5 dogs show up or something.
Yeah, we did.
Had almost more dogs than people. We got a really nice tree, a little different for us this year.
Yep.
Different Leyland cypress, longer trunk on it than what we normally get.
Little shorter
than what we normally get.
That means the angel will fit on top.
That's right. For the first time in 30 years.
Forever.
We're going to have an angel on top of the tree. That'll be pretty interesting.
I don't even know if I have an angel anymore.
All righty, let's move on and talk about markets and shows and markets. Not anything to talk about except for the Lakewood 400 Antiques Market in Cummings, Georgia. We're going to be there the end of this week. That's right, the 30th of December, 1st and 2nd of December. Looking forward, did I say all right? 30th of November, 1st and 2nd
of December, yes.
Looking forward to that. We'll be leaving midday, probably a little earlier than that on Thursday. Get up there. They'll let us get in and get set up until 5 o'clock on Thursday evening. So we're going to get up there, get everything set up, hit the hotel, get us some dinner, and then See if we can't get up early the next morning, get in, and get everything going. Looking forward to it. We got a lot of neat things in there.
Nice stuff.
Yeah, a lot of neat things, especially those post people snowmen that Mama made up.
And we're having 3 sets of reindeer.
3 sets of our reindeers, or 3 reindeers that all stand together and hold the wreath. So we're looking forward to that. We got a lot of work to do here in the next couple of days. Well, today, it'll be a day and a half.
Tomorrow.
That we got to work, so we're going to get that done. But looking forward to it, so that's the big thing. The other big thing is of course, we're taking off like we always do, January and February. So the rest of December, January and February will be off, and we'll be back at it in March. Gotta watch and see where we're going in March. March, we've got some surprises, so we're going to be doing some surprises. As soon as we get everything kind of nailed down, we'll let you know what that is. Be interesting, though. I think they'll enjoy that. Maybe get a couple of y'all to go with us. All righty, let's move on. All right. Let's talk about upcoming for Two Dogs. What have we got coming up? Well, first of all, as soon as we're done with this video, we're going to get out here in the show trailer, and we're going to start working on cleaning out the show trailer and loading it. We're going to pull the bar cart that we made, and we showed pictures of that.
Yeah, bar cart's on there.
We're going to pull the bar cart out and put some new wheels on that thing. We talked about it last time, the ka-thunk, ka-thunk, ka-thunk of us rolling that cart around where there's flat spots on the wheels. We're going to put new wheels on that. We're going to pull that old haul tree out. Pull that out, just take it out. We're going to complete these walnut wine holders. And now how this is going to work, there's going to be a hole here that holds the bottle at an angle, correct?
Yeah, it's going to hold it this way.
And then one that holds at an
angle that way, and one straight up.
And one straight up and down. We're going to do 2 of those out of walnut, and then I've got some oak over here that we've done the same thing on. We're milling up. I got to finish milling it up today.
You may find some other stuff outside.
And we're going to see if we can't go ahead and make at least 4 of those wine holders to take with us. We're really looking forward to that. We'll have those to take. We're going to be working on that. We're going to complete some Grinch post people. Now, the Grinch has really been well received. You've actually shown it at work and got a couple of orders, and I think it'll go over well up in Atlanta. We got those to do. We're going to do an unboxing video on that metal detector that we just got in the mail today, and maybe some initial impressions on that. We're going to try to get that done maybe today or tomorrow, and see if we can't get it out maybe by Friday by the time we edit it all together on that. Alrighty, let's move on. Hot apple cider is really good. It's chilly out there today.
I just got hot tea with honey and lemon today.
I think that's about it for this evening. Red, do you have anything else?
No, I can't think of anything.
Alrighty. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop.